Good afternoon, guys. What's going on? Nick is back, and we are here with the F100. So I've just spent a day doing a few little things on it, fixing up the rust, and I've just put on its first coat of primer, which would be pretty cool. But I thought I'd tell you the story behind why I have and sort of own this truck. This was my grandpa's truck back when I was 6 or 7, about 6. He had this truck, and I loved it. And I think it was my closest memory to him. I always wanted to own it, and then he sold it. And he passed away a few years ago, and I sort of made it my mission to get it back. So I tracked it down for a couple of years, and I sort of begged the owner for a year or so to sell it to me, and now I've got it. I mean, it's not the prettiest truck in the country anymore, but I love it. So I thought I'd take you around and show you a few things on it, on what I like about it, what's original, what's not, all that sort of stuff. So hope you enjoy. So let's start off at the front. Obviously that bull bar, it's actually called a sort of a rhubarb, isn't factory. It's really big. And look, it's definitely not a factory rhubarb, but it's a pretty cool thing to have. I'm planning on keeping it on there, which will be a pretty good thing. I just like it because my grandpa had it on there, so yeah. Original grille isn't in the best, well, in saying that, it is in pretty good shape. No dents or bends or anything, but it's got a bit of overlapping paint and a few scratches and stuff on it, but that's okay. Indicators are all original, and you can tell by that little Ford logo that's indented in there. Original headlamps, which are pretty cool. It's all faded, this grille, but it is original. That's the cool thing about it. Original Ford logo is always pretty cool to have on your truck. Original bonnet with a nice piece of rust there, which I'm gonna have to get rid of. We move the keys to the garage. I'll show you under the bonnet in a minute. That original badging, F100 badging. These are it's a set of original wheels, and I can't find it, but I know it's on there somewhere. The original Ford logo. Again, these are original Ford ones. They'll have there it is, the original Ford logo. I can feel it just there. When we open the hood, which is extremely heavy to do one-handed, looking at the original 351 Cleveland V8 motor. I love this. Love these with a passion. It's got a few modern fixtures. Battery's disconnected. I disconnect it. Horns over there, they're disconnected, but I'll connect them back up. Radiators and stuff like that. Nice piece of rust there too. F100 badge. On the other side, the F is broken, so I'm sadly going to have to get another one, but that's pretty cool to have. Nice piece of rust there, which I've got to fix. Mirrors are off it, over there. Move around. Door handles. These doors are just, the rubbers are shocking. I've just actually painted all in there. I'm about to do it over there. Original door trims, original doors, original windows. Nice pieces of rust up there, which I'm trying to fix, especially over there too. All original glass. This one's cracked. I'm going to have to get another one. It's on gas, which is okay. Original tub with some weird fixtures and fittings on it. If you guys know if they can factor at them, I'd really love to hear, but I'm not going to take them off. I can't be bothered. And anyway, another nice wheel. Some nice Ford mud flaps. Again, the indicators are all matching. This is an original, this tailgate. So I'm taking it off at the moment. I haven't gotten around to doing it. But the way you can sort of tell is it doesn't have any writing on it. So if anyone wants to buy it, comment down below and I'll message you back. I hate that. Tub's alright. There's no holes in it. It has different indicators. Well, different rear headlights with indicator thingos. Look, I'm not sure which one I'm going to go for, whether I'm going to go for the white or the yellow. I don't know. I might keep it. Look, actually, someone tell me if they came factory with these different, because I don't know, and I really want to find out. Anyway, they're pretty cool. It's got a tow bar down there, which I'm not sure if that's factory. I know it's factory white. If we could get around the other side, it's all about the same. I will show you the inside very soon, but you can see through there. I think I've shown you guys the inside a little bit, and it is original, as in like original. It's got the original steering wheel. It's got a different gear knob, different radio. But in terms of dash pad and seats and stuff, it's all original. It all matches the carpet and everything. So it's a really cool truck. I love it. It sounds fantastic. You know, there's a few things I'd like to do with it. I'm going to keep it white, and it really needs all this rust fixed. Like, this is just killing me, all of this. And I've got a broken hand too. It's a bit of a pain in the ass. But on a whole, it's a great truck. I wish it was straighter, and it's not, but I can't help that, and I can't change that. If I could, I would. But all I can do is do the best I can to fix it. You know, it's just really good fun to play with something that you grew up with as a kid. And you know, this V8's fantastic. I mean, this hood's just a genuine pain in the ass, and it's going to give me a lot of headaches when I get to it, I know, but like, yeah, it's just, yeah. But you know, if you guys have any tips or tricks which you can throw at me, I'm more than happy to take them on. If you want to know anything in particular, or if you want any sort of videos done on it, just comment down below. Look, it's fantastic. I've got nothing against it because I have the sentimental value. I didn't pay an awful lot for it. The guy didn't stitch me up. I probably paid less for what the market says it should be worth. You know, if you guys have an original 76 tailgate, let me know as well. But other than that, there's not much to tell you. Might start her up. We will see if I have the time and if I can actually get into the driver's seat, because I have sort of blocked it off with this nice newspaper setup, so none of the trim got white paint on it. But anyway, I'm going to get back to work. Maybe do the bottom of this sill over here, which hasn't been painted. We'll see what I decide to do. I'd like to maybe chuck a little bit of paint in between here. That really annoys me because it can be done. But you know, we'll see. Again, it'll never be perfect until I throw a heap of money at it, but this is all I'm going to do for a little while and just get it finished. And I just love it. You know. I sit back and look at this truck and go, there are so many memories here. So I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Don't forget to like and subscribe and do whatever every other YouTuber says. Whatever's normal on YouTube, you just do it. I'm just going to continue to put videos up on this for the progress that I do. I might get a bit more in depth depending on how I'm going. I go away to Queensland on Wednesday. So you might get a few videos from Queensland, but you know, even here, we're just going through the tub. These aren't dinted extremely bad. Same with the ones over there. It's, you know, it's got some surface rust, but it's nothing major. So thanks for watching, and yeah, I'll speak to you guys soon. Cheers.